innovative ways of saying something differently to make your point, and movement, body movement. So this is called definition, and I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. I have a few allusions in here to what formed the American culture, and you might catch something like transcendentalism in here. You might say something about the Great Depression. You guys listen, right? We are at the stage in our lives when we are supposed to break out of some cage, engage the rage, and go on a rampage. Your life begun. Take charge, have fun, complacent to none, and rob all the others and self-reliance you trust will get you out and through, and out of the dust. Forget catch-22. Assuage your lust, and thrust yourself into the world. You must define yourself. Who are you? Who are you? Your reality is the land, the promised land of opportunity and mentality and morality, and you're bursting with this vitality. It's a foundation for your conversation in this nation of integration, participation, incarceration is what you bring to it. So just do it. Come, show your motivation, take your inspiration, and feed it to the world. Your street. You got the beat of life coming in from the soul of your feet. So take charge of your fate before it's too late. Impregnate your fears with the cheers and the tears of your giddy adolescent years. In sight, take flight and keep your purpose alight despite the plight. You fight and define. Cleanse yourself of all peace and move on. Here, get there. Here, go face. Okay, so what's all that? You're trapped in a dorm for a week. 1 week now? You start to doubt, and you pout, and you shout, and you count the stuff that you could do without. But define. Now's your chance. Advance. Take a stance and leave them in a trance. Who wears the pants? Leave and live your life, and instill your rhythm, your dance, and then write the legacy of your this song. What is it? You're finding out right now. Babe, I'm going to get a Latina Mexicana toda or francés, or head-headed white. I don't dare, but you don't dare try to define me. I got more spices than you got taste buds, honey. But I do have one culture, and as dynamic as it may be, amorphous and hard to define, this is my culture. It molds me and holds me. It folds me into origami figurines and rolls me into tacos. So man, I define it.